Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from Your Rice Person. So hope you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive trendy dresses collections only for you. So let me display this one. Very bright, beautiful looks, bright red shade cotton fabric with beautiful printed one all over base printed, and this portion is neck portions beautiful design work, zari embroidery with artificial mirror embroidery work highlighted this portion. Very smart bright looks, and this one hand portions beautiful one, zari stripes hand end and very smart and bright look. This portion is also zari stripes and have sarara also. This one is contrast white shaded with zari stitches design. Very trendy looks, fully designer piece, bright and gorgeous looks and summer friendly also. So let me display next one. Very beautiful bright looks, bright black shade, premium quality rayon cotton fabric with beautiful design work. Neck portion is contrast color, and this one is beautiful beads embroidery work, fully designer piece. Very nice one, soft bright looks, and this portion hand portion is beautiful design hand, and this one is neck portion, and this one is beautiful beads embroidery work, bright black shade, premium quality rayon cotton fabric, soft comfortable summer friendly also, and have plazo also. This one fully cotton fabric printed plazo. Nice looks. This one is plazo. So let me display next one. Next one also very smart looks. Very beautiful and nice color combinations. This one is rayon cotton fabric, premium quality, soft one, summer friendly rayon cotton, and this one hand portions beautiful umbrella cutting design, very trendy looks, and this portion is neck portions beautiful contrast piping and vine embroidery work. Very nice looks, fully designer piece, soft comfortable based for your daily wear. Very nice looks, and have sarara also beautiful one. This one also cotton fabric with beautiful sarara. Very nice and trendy looks, and this one is full set. Very beautiful one. So let me display next one. Next one also very beautiful one. So very beautiful and elegant one, pure handloom cotton fabric with beautiful hand batik printed one all over fabric. Very trendy looks with beautiful buttons design. This portion is neck portions fully fine work and fine stitch, and this one is hand portions very trendy and smart looks, and all over batik printed pure handloom cotton fabric, and have plazo also, fully cotton fabric and chicken work plazo. This one is beautiful fine chicken work, and this one full set. Very trendy and elegant looks. So let me display next one. Next one also very nice one. Very beautiful bright looks, rayon cotton fabric, soft one, summer friendly with beautiful embroidery work. This one beautiful zari with contrast red threaded chicken embroidery design, full top portions. Very nice looks, and this one is hand portions beautiful design embroidery design work, and this one is full base part, premium quality rayon fabric, soft one, summer friendly, beautiful gorgeous looks, and this one set pants. This one is very beautiful one. This portion also embroidery work contrast, and this one is full set. Very trendy and smart bright looks. So let me display next one. Next one also very beautiful one. Very beautiful bright looks, mustard yellow shade cotton fabric with beautiful heavy embroidery work. Very bright looks with georgette dupatta, and this one cotton fabric, premium quality soft cotton fabric with beautiful fine embroidery work all over, and this portion is heavy work. Neck portions very trendy looks, and this one is hand portions contrast color piping. Very beautiful gorgeous looks, and this one set. This one is leggings. Very trendy and smart looks. So let me display next one. Next one also very smart one. Very beautiful bright color combinations, bottle green shade and rayon cotton fabric, premium quality rayon cotton fabric with beautiful printed one with katha stitch pattern stitching work. Very trendy looks, and this one is neck portions very nice one, beautiful design work, and this one is hand portions contrast color printed. Very trendy and elegant looks, all over printed, and this portion is katha stitch pattern stitching work. Very trendy looks, and I have sarara also. This one one is contrast color, beautiful printed Zara. Very nice looks. This one is full set, exclusive one. So let me display next one. Next one also in a very beautiful one. So also in a very beautiful one, bright looks, premium quality cotton fabric with all over printed one, fully designer piece, long, and this one is beautiful neck portions, embroidery and sequin work design, very trendy and smart looks, fully designer piece, premium quality cotton fabric with printed one with fine embroidery and sequin design, and this portion is hand portions, contrast color piping, and this one is long dress, very trendy and smart looks. Very nice one. This one is beautiful long dress piece, nice one, full designer piece and soft, comfortable, summer friendly. So let me display next one. Next one also in a very beautiful one. Very beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom cotton ikat fabric, very smart fit, trendy looks. This one is neck portions, beautiful one with designer buttons, and this one hand portions, premium quality pure handloom cotton ikat all over, and have plazo also, printed plazo. This one is contrast color, fully printed plazo, and this one is full set. Very nice and trendy looks, best for your office wear, daily wear, very smart one. So let me display next one. Very beautiful color combinations, premium quality rayon cotton fabric with beautiful fine embroidery work all over base, beautiful fine colorful embroidery design, and this one hand design, smart looks, very trendy one with georgette dupatta. This one is printed georgette dupatta and have plazo also, plazo also cotton fabric with beautiful sivori printed plazo. This one is full set, very trendy and fresh looks, best for your daily wear, office wear, very smart one. So let me display next one. Very beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom cotton fabric, beautiful design work, very smart and elegant design work. This portion is beautiful buttons design, very trendy looks, and this one is hand portions, beautiful umbrella cutting design work hand, and fully smart fit, very trendy and fresh looks, pure handloom khadi cotton base, very elegant one, and have plazo also, fully cotton fabric with beautiful chicken work, fully chicken work plazo. This one is plazo, and this one full set, very trendy and smart looks, and this plazo is fully chicken work, and this one is full set, very trendy and elegant looks. So let me display next one. Very beautiful and exclusive one, pure premium quality georgette base with fully hand chicken work all over, fully heavy work all over chicken work, very trendy looks and beautiful color combinations, and pure georgette base, and this one premium quality georgette base, and this one is hand portions also, same hand chicken work, and full base part is beautiful heavy chicken work and long shape, very trendy looks, the exclusive one, and have plazo also. This one is plazo also fine embroidery work. This one is full set, fine embroidery work plazo, very trendy and smart looks, and back portion also have chicken work, fully hand chicken work, and base is georgette, very elegant and exclusive one. So let me display next one. See, very beautiful exclusive one, premium quality fine cotton fabric with beautiful hand chicken work all over, heavy work, very nice and exclusive trendy looks, premium quality fine cotton with beautiful hand chicken work all over base, and this portion is neck portions, beautiful design work, and this one hand portions, fine cotton fabric with beautiful hand, fully hand chicken work all over, very fine and elegant looks, and this one leggings, beautiful premium quality leggings. This one is full set, very trendy and elegant smart looks. So let me display next one. Next one also very beautiful one, very exclusive one, premium quality rayon cotton fabric with beautiful hand chicken work all over base, and very nice design. This one is beautiful designer top part, very trendy looks, and fully hand chicken work, and this one is hand portions, beautiful chicken work and fully fine hand chicken work, and this one jacket pattern kurti top portions, very beautiful one, back portions also have chicken work, and I will suggest this jeans for bottom part. this one is jeans, sizes available. This one is jeans part, very trendy and smart looks, very beautiful one. So let me display next one. In a very beautiful and exclusive one, same material, premium quality, fine cotton fabric with beautiful hand chicken work all over, heavy work, very nice and elegant looks and beautiful color combinations. This one is fine cotton with beautiful fully hand chicken work, and this one is top portions, very trendy and smart looks, and have plazo also. This one, you know, beautiful rayon cotton fabric, premium quality rayon cotton fabric with beautiful design work plazo, very trendy and smart looks. This one is full set, very elegant one. So let me display next one. Very beautiful one, premium quality soft cotton fabric with beautiful chicken work all over base, very trendy looks and fully hand chicken work, and this portion is neck portions, fully designer piece, very trendy and smart looks, premium quality. And this one, you know, hand portions also chicken work, fully hand chicken work, and this one is all over base. Back portion also have chicken work, very exclusive, trendy and elegant looks, very nice one, fully hand chicken work. And this one, you know, plazo of white base with beautiful design work plazo, very nice looks. This one is full set, very exclusive, trendy looks. So let me display next one. So in a very beautiful one, premium quality rayon cotton fabric with beautiful design printed one with design work, very nice looks with wooden button design, very trendy and fresh gorgeous looks, all over printed rayon cotton with beautiful design work mirrored with embroidery design. And this one, you know, hand portion smart looks printed one, and this one is dupatta, fully printed dupatta cotton fabric, and this one, you know, set plazo. This one is same printed plazo, very trendy and smart fresh looks, and this one is all over full set, very elegant and bright looks. So let me display next one. The designer piece, premium quality cotton fabric all over printed one with beautiful zari with mirror embroidery work this portion, and full base part is beautiful design work, zari stripes stitch, and this one is beautiful latkan lace and adjustable also, very trendy and smart looks, fully designer piece. This portion is hand portion zari stitch work, very trendy and smart fresh bright looks, beautiful one, fully designer piece. And you know, today I have draped also a very beautiful color combination suit, and this one is premium quality cotton fabric with printed one wooden button with beautiful beads design, very trendy and smart looks, and have contrast printed pants. And this one is dupatta, very trendy and elegant looks and soft, comfortable, summer friendly obviously. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.